Hey guys, so I don't know if you saw the video from yesterday, but I got all these new awesome Decoart paints. These are fluid acrylics, which I've never tried before. So today I'm going to be using the titanium white, carbon black, and the dioxazine purple. And then I'm also using the extreme sheen metallic paint, the aquamarine. And then I've mixed these with the Decoart pouring medium. And the fluid acrylics are mixed with a 2-part paint to 1-part pouring medium ratio. And then this one I mixed 1-to-1. So it's 1 part paint and 1 part pouring medium. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with that. So I was gonna use an 8x10 canvas, but I changed my mind and we'll go with the 11x14 here. Because I think I have plenty of paint for this. And I think I will do a tree ring. Well, let's see. First, let's get the colors in the cup here. I'm very excited about these colors. I think I will end up kind of being a bit peacock themed. I've got a lot of the purple and a lot of the white, so we'll see. Just kind of layer them here. This is a really pretty purple. I'm going to go ahead and use the rest of this metallic. And then I'm just going to leave this here. Alright, so that's the rest of the black. Now let's do a little more white and purple here. It's going to be very purple. Lots of purple. Okay. There we go. Look how deep this purple is. That's really pretty. Really, really pretty. All right, let me go ahead and get these cups out of the way. All right, here we go. So start here in the middle. Pour slowly. This paint seems to be a very good consistency. And I had no trouble at all mixing in that fluid paint with the Decoart pouring medium. So that's good. Let's go ahead here. I don't know if you guys can hear, but there's like tons of helicopters in the background. Unfortunately, I can't really stop mid-video and wait for them. I don't know what they're doing, but anyways. So forgive that noise. I can't really control exterior noises. Definitely loving these colors. Go a little more this way. Love that purple. Okay. Good. So let's go ahead. Let's let this sit. We'll see anything that comes up, like in terms of cells and whatnot. And then we'll go ahead and we will do our close-up. Okay, not too much changing, maybe a little bit of action through here, but let's go ahead and do our close-up. So we'll start in the bottom right-hand corner here. This is a very interesting kind of design that came up through here that I haven't really seen much before. I like it. And this purple is just gorgeous. Like, look how much that stands out. It just really pops. Really like it. Here's my center, which I also really love. You can see like a little bit of the metallic sheen in there. Puffy white clouds. Lower left-hand corner. And yeah, I definitely see that, was it aqua or whatever in here peeking through. It's a little bit of that metallic sheen. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I'll be definitely doing more paintings with these fluid acrylics coming up, and I'm going to also try some of the glitter paints that I got. If you didn't see the video, I got these Galaxy glitter paints from Decoart. So I'm going to try incorporating those into a pour as well and see how that works. I'm not sure how it will work because it's very glittery paint. So we'll have to see. We'll give it a go. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see y'all next time.